Hey my beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I achieve this bun using beauty supply store clip-ins, please stay tuned and keep on watching.
Dedicated to my dedication, push straight through, no zigzag. Those who hated on me praying I never make it, now I got them big mad. Woo! Now I got them big mad.
So first things first, you're going to need some clip-ins. I purchased these clip-ins from my local beauty supply store. They came with 1 5-clip weft and 2 4-clip wefts. This hair is gorgeous. I really do love it. I love the texture of it. It's like a yaki perm texture. And it came with 2 3-clip wefts, and it came with 2 2-clip wefts. This hair was super duper affordable. It was $25, and I absolutely love these hair clips. You're going to need a headband. I am using these, and you're going to want to have a brush. I am using a Demon brush, but you can use a paddle brush or whatever brush of your choice. And you're going to need a hair tie, and you're also going to need some edge gel, edge control, and an edge brush. Now I am starting off on a raggedy braids. I had just took off my lace front, and I did go ahead and flat iron my little leave out, and I did some sideburns, baby hairs, whatever you want to call them already. I'm gonna just brush out that 4-clip weft, and you're going to place this going upward at the back of your head. Now I did place it over, like, you know how the nape of your hair, over the nape of my hair, I kind of place it over that. And then you're going to take the 2-clip weft and you're going to place that on the side of your hair, and you're going to do the same thing to the other side. And I'm going to take the other 2-clip weft and, you know, pin that on the side in the opposite direction as you would like be brushing your hair up into a ponytail. I hope that makes sense, and I hope I'm explaining that where you can understand. So now I'm going to just take my finger and part out a little section in the front, and then we're going to take that other 4-clip weft and we're going to place it behind the other clip-ins that we put down, because this is going to seal in that little gap on the side, if that makes sense. I hope I'm explaining this right, y'all. I want y'all to get it. So just gonna place that there, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. And as you can see where my ear is, that's that gap that I'm talking about, that you will have if you use the same clip-ins, or if you lay your clip-ins how I'm laying mine. And then we're gonna take that 5-clip weft and we're gonna place that in the front, and, you know, clip it behind all the other tracks, clip-ins that you have laid down. And then the last one we're gonna place in the back. Now this is the 5-clip one that I placed in the back. Y'all, it was so hot and I was struggling getting these clip-ins open. I was tired, y'all. I had filmed this video because I had worn my hair like this on this day, but I wanted to record it. So I'm like, I got my makeup done, my makeup is on, I'm gonna record this video. So now I'm gonna just brush everything up into a high ponytail. I like my bun to be high up on my head, and that's why I'm doing it this way. Do it how you want to. Now you don't want to put your hair tie too tight. Don't put it tight at all, you guys, okay? Because you don't want to put tension on those clip-ins. You will have a headache. Trust me, I have done it several times. Now I'm just gonna brush out the hair and start forming my bun. I like my bun to be big, you guys. I like a really nice, juicy, big bun. So that's how I'm gonna do mine, and just form it around. I'm just taking the hair and just wrapping it around. I didn't use any bobby pin or another hair tie. This works for me. I just wrap it all the way around until it's tightly on my head. But if you want to use a rubber band or a bobby pin to secure your bun, you can do that. All right, so bam. Now I'm gonna take the hairband, and you want to place the headband on top of the tracks so they won't be seen. And I promise you guys, no one's going to see your tracks. Your headband is not going to go anywhere. But if you want some extra security, by all means, you can use some bobby pins. And boom, there she goes. Quick, easy, simple. And the good thing about this hairstyle, you can always unclip them clip-ins when you're tired of them and put them back in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you try this hairstyle. Please give me a like and leave some comments down below and tell me what you thought. And I will catch you beautifuls in my next video. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.